Hello Bifrosties, I'm Tyrone from Bifrost. Today I'm showing you how to contribute your Kusama to Bifrost. So first step, we take a look on the Polkadot.js extension. With this extension, you can contribute your Kusama, and we already got one, so we switch to the Polkadot.js.org and we select the power chains in the network and go to the crawlon. Here we can see the ongoing crawlon projects, and the second one, the power chain ID is 2001, this Bifrost, and we made the contribute. Tap in the amount you want to contribute and click the contribute. Okay, and sign and submit. Yeah, and we got it. And we can see the results and my contributions from the below. And we contributed 0.1 Kusama. So we've done this contribution. And the another thing is we also have the official Kusama crawlon on the ksm.vtoken.io. And the difference here is that if you contribute in this official page, you can get the derivatives like here, and you also can get the extra BNC from the invitation code. You can invite your friends and get the 5% extra bonus from this invitation. So good luck.